This is hard to believe, but Australia outlaws cash transactions. Sean Adeltabatabai on your Newswire reports. The Australian government has outlawed citizens. It has outlawed citizens from using cash to buy expensive goods as part of a crackdown on money launderers and organized crime. From now on, anybody trying to purchase goods or services that exceed $10,000 must use electronic forms of money to pay. Well, of course, who carries $10,000 around with them? Perth Now, Australia reports. Those wanting to spend up big will have to use either electronic transfer services or a check to make the purchase. It's understood there was a pushback within the government at the $10,000 limit, with some West Australian members of Parliament arguing it should be higher. However, in the wake of the Commonwealth Bank's money laundering allegations involving the withdrawal of more than 10,000 through ATMs, the government stuck with the new limit. It'll apply to purchases of goods and services from businesses and transactions with financial institutions or between consumers. For non-business transactions will be exempt. Revenue Ministry Kelly O'Dear said the limit would start from July 1st of next year. Quote, "This cash payment limit will capture high-value transactions and help stamp out opportunities for criminals to launder the proceeds of crime into goods and services, or for businesses to hide transactions to reduce their tax liabilities," she said. The move is in response to the government's Black Economy Task Force, which also backs measures to bar firms with a dodgy tax record from tendering for big federal contracts. Firms looking to win a contract worth more than $4 million will need to show evidence of a satisfactory tax record. The government will sink an extra $319 million into the tax office to help develop new ways to target the black economy. Data matching will also be increased in a package the government says could net it $3 billion in extra tax over 4 years. Also helping will be the legal tobacco trade. Better policing of so-called chop tobacco and payment of excise is expected to reap a $3.6 billion income for the government. Sean Adeltabatabai of your Newswire reports.